Galing. Ang galing guys, oh. Wow!
So next is the lava. So lava is the principle of convection. It's a combination of liquid wax and oil.
Oh my God! Oh my God. Ma'am, di po to reacting.
Is the principle of convection. It's a combination of liquid wax and oil. But we're not allowed to go inside the lava because lava is for observation only. But you can take pictures and videos if you want. So alam naman po na take ng pictures and videos. And also next, we have 2 rooms. It's just like the game. Tumblers, tablets, cameras, or anything.
Okay guys, bawal daw cellphone daw dito, bawal daw video. So, I will give you guys update, okay? Love you guys!